How to install the NVIDIA GeForce Hotfix display driver version 610.82 on your Windows PC. First, open the NVIDIA Hotfix driver link provided in the video description. On the NVIDIA website, scroll down and click here to download the GeForce Hotfix display driver 610.82 for Windows 10 and Windows 11 64-bit. Once the download is complete, run the downloaded exe file. Click Yes if prompted, then click OK, and select Agree and Continue. Next, choose Custom Installation. Click Next, then check the box for Perform a clean installation. Click Next and wait for the installation to finish. After the installation is complete, restart your PC. That's it. Your NVIDIA GeForce Hotfix display driver 610.82 is now installed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Windows and gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching.
I want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes.